how the Holy Spirit, the Ruach HaKodesh, began to train me to hear and obey His voice. That was started in the 1980s after I had accepted Jesus into my heart. Once I accepted Jesus into my heart, something happened in my spirit differently. I felt this coolness go down in my chest. And after that, I just felt like I had to go to church. But before that, I felt like I had to read the Bible. So the Holy Spirit led me to pick up my King James Version of the Bible, and the thought came to me, I am supposed to read this whole book. But at that time, I looked at the book and I thought, oh my, this is a lot of reading. But the Holy Spirit anointed me. He anointed me. And I felt like I was supposed to start in Genesis. And read all the way through. Wait a minute, it's just coming to my mind. I was to start in the New Testament, in Matthew. But the thought in my head is I have got to read Genesis. So I read the whole New Testament, and then after Revelation, then I started in Genesis. That's what I'm remembering now. And I read the whole Bible, and in my reading, I was also taping the Bible with my cassette tape. And as I was taping the Bible, the Holy Spirit was quickening me at certain scriptures and began to train me in terms of me feeling His presence. And so let's just fast forward a little. And after I had finished my reading and putting the Bible on the tape, I got these instructions to write a poem for the mailman, which I did. This was in the 1980s, which I did. After I finished writing the poem, the words came to me, go take it to him. Well, I was living in New York at the time, and I was living on the 8th floor, and it was not time for the mail. So I said to the Holy Spirit, it's not time for the mail, but He let me know I needed to take it downstairs, the poem, and give it to the mailman. Well, I obeyed. And when I went downstairs, unbelievable, there was the mailman there, and it was not his time to be there. And I was able to read the poem and also to give it to him. And that was confirmation to him that I was hearing the voice of God. That is my beginning of being trained.